Hi, my name is Miriam Belton. I am a grade 12 physics student. This is my Unit 8 project in my Physics 12 subject. The title of my project is Study the Possibilities and Current Hypothesis of Faster than Light Speed with Respect to the Constants Imposed by Einstein's Special Relativity Theory. Relativity, time, space, and the constant speed of light. What is relativity? Measurements of time and space are not absolute. They depend on the observer's relative motion. Why is light speed contents? Einstein proved that light always travels at the same speed regardless of the observer velocity. This constancy explains why time and space shift for moving observers. Theory of relativity. Most of our everyday observations involve objects that move at speeds much slower than the speed of light. Newtonian mechanics is quite successful when in this limit, but it fails when particles have speeds approaching the velocity of light c equals 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. Example: if the velocity of an electron 0.99 c, v equals square root 2 eV over m. If the applied voltage V is increased to a factor 1V to 4V, the velocity V equals 2 square root 2 eV over m equals 2 times 0.99 c equals 1.98 c. But the experiment shows the speed of electrons or any particles with mass is always less than the speed of light. Special theory of relativity. First law, the laws of physics are exactly the same in all inertial frames of reference, given that the frames are stationary or moving at constant speed. Second law, the speed of light in vacuum is a constant, 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second, and this will not change, though the source of light or the one who observes the light is moving. The astonishing effects of time dilation. But at speeds approaching the speed of light, the effects of time dilation could be much more apparent. Imagine a 15-year-old leaves her high school traveling at 99.5% of the speed of light for 5 years. From the teenage astronaut perspective, when the 15-year-old got back to Earth, she would age those 5 years she spent traveling. Her classmates, however, would be 65 years old. 50 years would have passed on the much slower moving planet. We don't currently have the technology to travel anywhere near that speed, but with the precision of modern technology, time dilation does actually affect human engineering. Time dilation. Relativistic time. Moving clocks run slower than stationary clocks, meaning time passes more slower for an object in motion. For example, a clock moving in space would appear to run at half the speed of a stationary clock. The formula for the time dilation is t equals t0 square root 1 minus v squared over c squared. For example, a spaceship travels to a star 8.6 light years away at 0.8 c-meter per second. How much time passes for the astronaut on Earth if he spends 6.13 years in space? T equals 6.13 over square root 1 minus 0.8 squared equals 10.2167 years. So I designed a computer program to get solution of time dilation, mass increase, and length contraction. So let me open the program. Okay, so this is my coding. I spent a lot of hours of designing this. Okay. Now let's press run. Now let's choose an option for 1 for time dilation. Now it shows enter velocity. It shows 0.8 c. Now it shows proper time, 6.13 years. Now the answer shows 10.21667 seconds. Oh, see this? It shows the same answer right here. Years. Sorry, 10.2167 years. Same answer as this one. Okay, let's go to the other slide. Relativistic mass increase. As speed increases, the effective or relative mass of an object increases, making it harder to accelerate further. The formula to calculate the mass increase is m equals m0 over square root 1 minus v squared c squared. A proton of mass 1.67 times 10 power negative 27 kilogram is accelerated to a velocity of 0.95 c. What will be the relativistic mass of a proton observed in the laboratory? M equals 1.67 times 10 power negative 27 over square root 1 minus 0.95 squared equals 5.348 times 10 power negative 27 kilogram. So let's open my program again, and then enter 2 for the mass increase. Okay, now it shows enter velocity, 0.95 c, then proper mass, 6.67 e minus 27. Now the answer shows right here 5.34828 e minus 27 kilograms. It's the same answer as this one. Okay, next slide. Length contraction, relativistic length. Objects traveling at high speeds appear shorter along direction of motion to a stationary observer. The formula for the length contraction is L equals L0 square root 1 minus V squared over C squared. A spaceship has a length L0 equals 100 meters when measured at rest. How long does it appear to observer on Earth if it passes at a speed of 0.8 c? L equals 100 square root 1 minus 0.8 squared equals 60 meters. I'll open the program again, and then I'll put option 3 for length contraction. Enter velocity, 0.8 c, and the proper length, 100 meters. Now the answer shows 60 meters. Same answer as my slide right here. Okay, thank you for listening to my project about special relativity theory of Albert Einstein.